This is Tim Haft, creator of Punk Road, like the shirt says. 1 year ago, he got a really nasty injury playing pickleball.
3 torn tendons.
3 torn tendons around the hamstring.
2 are still detached.
And was not able to walk. And 1 year later now, he's jumping again, and this is his current workout. It's it's a portion of his workout. 850 jumps total. He does 50 reps each of a series of our basic steps. He's gonna run through that right now. All right, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna start with a basic bounce.
Basic bounce, okay. I'll count to
You have
myself.
Shana's shaky cam here. Okay.
All right.
He's doing the counting of the jumps. I hope.
That's basic bounce.
Then he's gonna do a twister. You do 25 each side?
50s.
Wow. It's a lot of jumps.
I know, it's so
So we are-
exciting for the people watching. I'm gonna lose track.
Well, after you do your each side, you're gonna do the full twister. That means he's gonna twist from side to side. Yep. All right, very good. Bell. You're gonna jump forward and back. Do you want me to count?
No.
Or do I do color commentary? So this is, if I pronounce it right, Duarte Park in Manhattan, where we are currently doing a couple classes. Also is where people walk to commute to grab the 1 train. Or the A or the C. Very accessible location. I'm so glad about this next one. It's a perfect follow-up to the bell. He's gonna do swing, swing, jump, which is, a little bit of a rusty move depending on how fast you do it. But definitely a relief after doing something like bells very hard on the joints. This is much gentler, so you're not jumping as continuously. You're working the swing.
I'm just happy my leg hasn't fallen off.
What you're doing is probably harder than the class. I usually try to change the jumps every 20. 50's a commitment. Say change the jump. Change the step would be the more accurate way to put it. These are like dance, we call them steps.
We can change the direction so they get.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna do a stagger next.
Oh.
Yeah. When you say, you mean I should show from the side?
Well, no.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
can move.
If you maybe when you go to do the side slide. Or me, I see what you're saying. There's a lot of minutes of watching you jump. Tim is always thinking about aesthetics. He's going on to the other stagger here. And now this shows a little bit more for those of you not in Manhattan. Even if you are, do you know where Duarte Park is? Right at Canal Street, and this is clear, lovely view of we call it the Freedom Tower. So One World.
Are you following along at home?
Are you following? I don't know the name of the building. Straddles. So he's going to continue. No, sorry, Scissors is next. That's what we follow with the stagger. Distracted trying to remember the name of the... I watched that building go up, so I was working right next to it. Now I don't know the official name.
It's not the World Financial anymore.
Well, no, that... Let's call it the Freedom Tower. Cute.
Right.
It's one something. Maybe it's still World Trade. I know the mall there is called the Oculus. All right, so straddles. You only moved a little bit forward with there. Either that or it was an optical illusion. These are side straddles. We are starting to get a light sprinkle here. You can see the gray clouds. We're hoping it doesn't sprinkle too much.
Yeah.
Because we're about to do class.
These are 2 jumps. So it's 100.
Oh, wow. You don't do it like you only count the one.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Well, yeah, that you only count the one going out. So he's really jumped. It's 100 turns and 100 jumps, technically, yeah. The next one is turning backwards, which is nice. That'll just actually be 50 jumps. Backwards, which is a good pause before he does a fancy move. Tim is actually better at, well, I don't want to jinx him, but you might notice he hasn't missed. It's pretty incredible. So next, crosses. I would have missed. Why haven't you been on all of the videos? Okay, side slides are next. So we're watching I might go around and show you the front view. Since we decided to change the views a bit, why not? You can try to follow them along. Wow, got a little skateboarder coming through. I'm gonna go back to the long view, and I'm not gonna move again because I believe that creates that kind of seasick thing. Woo! Wow! That was almost a 10-minute workout. 8 minutes. Continuous rope jumping, including crosses. Wow. I don't watch professional sports, but they usually go up and they bother the player who's all tired and out of breath, so how do you feel?
I know, right?
You did it.
Guys, thanks for watching. So that's my rehab, partly to get the leg back in condition, but I was out so long,
COVID.
so my COVID and the injury and so on, so cardio really took a hit, and I'm getting a little older, but it's try it at home. It's good.
That was incredible.
Thanks for watching, guys.
All right.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.